Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today we'll be discussing shorts. No, not beach shorts, YouTube shorts. Let's go. So YouTube shorts is relatively new to some of us. What are YouTube shorts? YouTube shorts are vertical videos up to 60 seconds in length. In addition to showing on your channel, viewers may find your short form video on the home page shorts shelf and tap into a vertical viewing experience made for short videos. It's similar to TikTok, Reels on Instagram, Stories on WhatsApp and Facebook, Fleets on Twitter, and also Snaps on Snapchat. So I guess YouTube is finally getting their share of the pie. So currently, Shorts is in beta mode, which means that right now, creators in India are the only ones who can use YouTube's latest short form video creation tool. Technically, you can't upload short videos directly to your channel, but you can, and I will be discussing further on in this video. All other creators are encouraged to upload short vertical videos up to 60 seconds in length and include hashtag shorts in the title or description of that video to get started with short videos. Due to the fact that short is a new concept for YouTube and no one truly understands the algorithm behind it, now is the best time to explore and utilize YouTube short videos. I mean, you literally have nothing to lose. To create or post a YouTube short video, you have to ensure that the video is no longer than 60 seconds in length. I'd prefer you use 59 or 58 seconds to be on the safe side. Upload the video to YouTube and in the title and description put hashtag shorts, and that's it. You just uploaded a short video, just like that. So your homework after watching this video is for you creators out there to go and experiment this new YouTube short videos feature. Now you can go ahead and leave your thoughts in the comments if you have already tried this feature. If you guys found this video interesting, remember to leave a subscription, go hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell, leave a like, and also leave your thoughts in the comment. King Crisis TV signing out.